Ayan, video tayo guys.
Lagoon! Blue Lagoon!
Grabe ka.
Sabi na, para itong naabando sa ganyan.
Oo, naabando.
Naabando itong lugar na ito.
Is this a pit? I don't even know. This looks like abandoned. Lakas ng hangin eh. Baka may lipad yung ano, cellphone ko. Tanjung. Paano ba i-pronounce to? Piyay? Piyay? Piyay. So, let's go. Masok entrance. So, we go inside. What can we see here? Look at. Eh, syempre, ano ba?
Karunungan na naman. Karunungan.
So, this is Taman Negara Johor, Tanjung Piyay. So, Tanjung Piyay Johor National Park.
Mangrove trees.
Mangrove trees. Nasaan na sila?
Nakita na pa ako dyan. Usually meron mga ano dito eh. Pakita ka.
Wala naman.
Wala, alay na lang nakatuloy eh. Paulit-ulit. Kamatis ba ito? Kalamansi.
Kuha ka na, kakain na tayo. I'm so hungry. Baka may makainan dyan, bili nga tayo.
Kaya nagbaong ka ng sandwich mo.
Wala eh. Meron ako,
Diba meron kang gas?
meron ako isang Skyflakes. Mabuksan niya.
Oo, i-munch mo muna. Tapos inom ka din tubig.
Uy, may
Gusto mo
tubig.
straw?
May tubig ako.
Uy, ang ganda! Ayan,
Oh.
yan talaga yung ano, mga ship ng Singapore.
Ship ng Singapore daw po yan.
Echos. Hindi ko alam. Joke lang.
As in mahab. Uy, ayun oh, mahulog ka dyan oh.
Putik! May ano, may siwang.
Oh, ala, ang lalaki ng siwang niya na. Oh.
Sinagyan nila yan para isay. Gustahin mo yung ano.
Limited roaming data. We'll wait for these to finish.
We all take a photo.
Just mine, I just
You have to.
May snake! Ew! Eee, I hate
Snake,
snakes.
snake, snake.
Sneak up on a fish.
What the heck?
Oh.
Eee. Yeah, kadiri. Ew.
She
Someone.
tried to catch the fish.
Oh
It's
my
a snake,
god.
snake.
She wants to take a photo with us. You know. Okay, okay. Hang in there. Bye. So long.
So once they
Good
go
luck
up,
sa New York.
once they go up on
Good luck daw yun.
Mud skipper, here.
Snapping naman yung mud skipper. Don't go out.
Another one is here.
Yeah, but it's got a primitive long.
There's another one here. Hello, mud
So
skipper.
I want to take a photo. Kaya nyo ano.